Really glad you could join us here today. It was a very nice weekend, and we had a lot to do. We needed to make another ramp, going over a muddy section going from basically our woodworking area down to the lower part, which can get kind of marshy. But there's a small section that is just getting really beat up. It's pretty muddy. It's very soft soil, and the reason for that is that there's three natural springs coming out of the hillside, and all the water kind of collects down there. And especially when it rains, there's a lot of water that accumulates. Yeah, so we definitely needed a way to get over that small patch. You can see where it's green. That's where a lot of the water kind of accumulates. You can see just how quickly our feet make it very, very muddy. It gets really ugly really quick. So again, we're using wood from Bristol Metals, and from the previous video segment, you saw that we were using our chainsaws to split the down trees and use them as our main supports. It was pretty cheap. Really, the only cost was getting there and a box of nails, just a couple screws. So if you have a little bit of wood, have some trees, you can kind of make almost anything. We didn't really start out with a build plan. We kind of just had an idea and went with it. It was really nice having Paul and Calder helping me throughout the day. My friend Tom stopped by, and my wife Izzy was there as well. It was really great having this many people seeing not just the property and how it's coming along, but also like the progress that we're doing and getting their really valuable input. So yeah, it was a really great time. Again, just that mud. That mud is something else. This side of the property probably hasn't had a whole lot of human contact on it, probably 100 years. But it's really great. We're trying to reduce our nasty input, our impact on the ground. So trying to make a little bridge, and hopefully it holds up. I guess we'll see after tonight's rainstorm and see how it goes. Well, anyways, that's about it for the video. The ramp works. Hopefully it holds, and thanks for coming out. We'll see you around.